Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can copy your TikTok profile URL or your TikTok profile link. So guys, there are so many reasons one we want to share use our TikTok profile URL maybe on other social media so that other persons can get to follow and engage with the TikTok account. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. So make sure you watch to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. The first step is to launch into your TikTok app. You be my queen, I don't need no rules. It's a love song. Sorry for that guys. The next step that you need to take is to tap on your TikTok profile icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. So guys, here is our TikTok profile. You can see it. So the next step that you need to take is to tap on where it is written edit profile. You can see it at the top there. Tap on it. So guys, this is where you're going to copy your TikTok profile link or your TikTok profile URL. You can see where it is written tiktok.com/@Phonomobile. You can see there is just below the username. You can see there, if you just tap on it, you'll be able to copy it. Once you tap on it, it will be copied automatically. So let me go ahead to tap on it. You can see where it is written at the top, link copied. You can see it's written link copied, so your link has been copied already. So guys, now if you want to share this link on any social media platform, for example on WhatsApp, just open your WhatsApp. You open your WhatsApp, then you search for whoever you want to send the link to. Let's say I want to send it to this person. What you have to do is to make a long press, just paste it here. You can see it's tiktok.com/@Phonomobile, then you send. You can see it has been sent as a link. So if the person receives it and taps on it, the person will be directed to your TikTok profile, so the person can do whatever he or she wants to do on your TikTok profile, either to follow or to watch your videos. So guys, this is how you go ahead copying and sharing your TikTok profile URL to other persons on other social media platforms. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.